What would $50 million buy you in Georgia? Wait until you see what's hidden behind these gates. From the very first second, this property tells you one thing: privacy, power, and unbelievable wealth. The approach alone feels like arriving at a five-star resort built for billionaires. And before you even step inside, the estate welcomes you with this stunning resort-style centerpiece.
This property is massive, an entire luxury compound hidden inside one of Georgia's most elite landscapes. This property is massive, an entire luxury compound hidden inside one of Georgia's most elite landscapes. Today, I'm taking you inside one of the most jaw-dropping luxury homes you'll ever see in Georgia.
Even the front door looks like the entrance to a royal estate.
And trust me, what's inside is even more insane than the exterior.
Let's step into a world of marble, chandeliers, and pure architectural flex.
This foyer alone feels larger than most entire homes.
Every inch of this home is designed to make a statement, and this chandelier proves it instantly.
A staircase like this doesn't just connect floors. It sets the tone for the entire mansion. The ceiling height here is absolutely unreal. Everything feels oversized, intentional, and luxurious.
Off the foyer, you have a formal sitting room that feels straight out of an old money luxury magazine.
Even the fireplace is built like a centerpiece, rich, refined, and impossible to ignore.
Moments like this make the home feel less like real estate and more like a private lifestyle experience.
Now, this is the kind of living room that instantly stops you in your tracks.
The natural light here is insane. It makes every detail feel even more premium.
One of the best parts of this home is the flow. Every room opens beautifully into another.
It's not just big spaces, it's the small luxury details that make this estate feel curated.
From trim work to artwork, everything in this home has been selected to elevate the experience.
Walking through this place feels more like touring a private luxury resort than a residential home. And we're only getting started, because the next spaces take this tour to a whole different level.
This formal dining room is built for unforgettable dinners, celebrations, and serious entertaining.
Even the table setting feels carefully designed to match the home's elevated personality. Spaces like this make hosting effortless, hidden functionality wrapped in premium design.
And here it is, the heart of the home, a chef's kitchen worthy of a luxury estate like this.
Two giant islands give this kitchen the kind of scale and functionality most dream homes never reach. The materials here are incredible. Every finish feels custom, expensive, and intentional.
This kitchen isn't just beautiful, it's built to perform like a high-end culinary studio.
For the quieter moments, this breakfast nook gives you resort-level comfort with a view.
The open connection between the kitchen and family room makes the entire level feel inviting and social.
This family room balances comfort and scale perfectly. Still grand, but incredibly livable.
And one of my favorite details, hidden storage that keeps the kitchen looking flawless.
For the collector, this home includes a wine display that feels like a private tasting lounge. Spaces like this add that extra layer of luxury that separates a mansion from a true estate.
This built-in bar is perfect for evening hosting
late-at-night conversation, and effortless entertaining.
And then you have this, an old-world library that feels powerful, private, and timeless.
The textures in this room are incredible. This is luxury with depth and character.
It's a workspace, but it also feels like a statement about success.
If you work from home, this office gives you the kind of presence most executives only imagine.
Even the powder room has enough design personality to feel unforgettable.
Yes, this estate even includes a private elevator because convenience here is part of the luxury. Now let's head upstairs, where the private suites take things even further.
From up here, you really understand how dramatic and architectural this home is.
And now we're entering the primary suite, easily one of the most impressive spaces in the entire home. This isn't just a bedroom. It feels like a private luxury retreat inside the mansion.
There's enough room here to create a full private lounge right inside the suite.
Details like this bring warmth to a space that's already incredibly grand.
And then the bathroom opens up like a private 5-star spa.
This bathtub view alone could sell the entire house.
The vanity space is generous, polished, and exactly what you'd expect at this price point.
The shower feels less like a bathroom feature and more like a luxury wellness experience.
And yes, the closet is basically a designer showroom.
The level of customization here makes this suite feel completely bespoke.
Even the guest bedrooms are finished at a level most people reserve for a primary suite.
Every secondary bath carries the same polished luxury standard.
There's no such thing as an ordinary bedroom in this estate.
Even the younger family members get a space that feels custom and elevated.
And for guests or kids, this bunk room adds personality without sacrificing luxury.
This upper lounge gives the second floor its own private social zone.
This overlook ties the whole home together in a way that feels incredibly cinematic.
Now we move into one of the ultimate luxury home essentials, a private theater. This feels like bringing the cinema home, only more exclusive.
Everything is built for comfort, immersion, and that full private screening experience.
For entertaining, this game room adds a whole new layer of fun to the estate.
The home balances elegance and play better than almost anything I've toured.
Even fitness is covered here, with a gym that feels cleaner and better than most boutique studios. When a home includes a dedicated wellness space, you know it's operating on another level. And now we're heading outside, to what might be the most spectacular part of the property. This backyard is pure resort living, private, expansive, and unbelievably well designed. The pool area alone could headline the entire property.
Every corner outside is designed for comfort, conversation, and serious relaxation. For outdoor entertaining, this setup makes hosting feel effortless. This covered patio extends the house beautifully and makes the outdoor experience feel complete.
At sunset, this fireplace becomes the perfect gathering point. And yes, the estate also delivers on recreation with its own private sports space.
Beyond the architecture, the landscaping adds calm, beauty, and a real sense of privacy.
It's details like this that make the property feel peaceful, complete, and almost resort-like.
And for extended family or VIP guests, there's even a separate guest residence. The guest house doesn't feel secondary at all. It feels like a standalone luxury home.
For the car enthusiast, this garage gives you room to turn storage into a statement.
Even the service spaces are designed with the same attention to quality.
At night, this estate looks less like a home and more like a private luxury retreat.
As the sun drops, the entire property transforms into something even more dramatic.
The nighttime pool scene is absolutely unforgettable.
From above, you really see the full magic of this private estate after dark. And that's what $50 million can look like when architecture, land, and lifestyle all come together.
From the grand entry to the resort backyard, every space in this home was designed to impress.
The kitchen still feels like one of the most livable and luxurious spaces in the entire estate.
And the primary suite might be the ultimate symbol of comfort and quiet luxury.
Outside, the estate becomes its own world, built for entertaining, relaxing, and escaping.
Homes like this are rare, not just because of the price, but because of the experience they create. If you want more insane luxury home tours like this, make sure you stay tuned for the next one.
Some homes are expensive. This one is unforgettable.
Welcome to the next level of luxury living. This was your $50 million Georgia home tour.